Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off confirm payments with AssistiveTouch on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down. And in here, tap on Touch. Then tap on AssistiveTouch. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Confirm with AssistiveTouch. Now, on this page here, it says set up to use AssistiveTouch for double click. So tap on Continued. Then double click on the side button here to confirm. 1, 2. And now we need to put in your phone passcode, and then double click once more, and that's it. So now from now on, you can use AssistiveTouch to make payments instead of using double click. And that's it. If you want to go back to the double click, you can switch it off by tapping on this toggle button to switch it off. Then choose use double click. And that's it. So that is how you can switch it on or turn it off on the iPhone 15 series. So I do that again. Okay, here we can test it out. So on my AssistiveTouch here, I'm going to go back to the home screen and open the App Store. Then I will get an app. In here it says to confirm with AssistiveTouch. So normally you would have to double press on the side button. This time I can use my AssistiveTouch here, and then tap on Device, then tap on More, and then tap on Pay, and then Confirm and Pay. And this will allow me to download and install the app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.